Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Stocks in Asia rose after China announced that it would end quarantine for inbound travelers on January 8th, symbolizing the end of its zero-COVID policy, which it has held for almost 3 years. As positive sentiment continues into the last trading days of 2022, European stocks and U.S. stock options move higher on Tuesday. The dollar dropped 0.1% against a basket major currencies. The euro rose 0.25% to $1.066 versus the dollar. The softer dollar helped gold prices to edge up on Tuesday morning, but trading was still slow after the long Christmas weekend. Spot gold rose 0.3% to $1,802.63 an ounce. Light trade saw oil prices rise due to concerns that winter storms in the United States could have an impact on logistics and production of petroleum products. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude oil was $80.41 per barrel, an increase of 1.1%. Asian Pacific market. Japan's November unemployment rate was 2.5% according to Reuters analyst poll. This reading is a slight decrease from October's 2.6%. The Japanese yen is consolidating in the face of recent highs. Both the Australian and New Zealand dollars strengthened Tuesday after Chinese health officials reiterated the country's reopening plans. As of Tuesday afternoon, the Australian dollar had risen 0.56% against the US dollar to 0.6766. Market of Europe. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 index gained 0.5% in line with the rally in Asia. This is a slight gain against the almost 12% it lost this year due to central banks' tightening of monetary policy. As investors become more confident that inflation has peaked, the volatility VIX, which is often used as a gauge for risk aversion, fell 35% from October's beginning. Some markets, including those in London, Dublin, Hong Kong, and Australia, remain closed. The euro rose 0.25% to $1.066 versus the dollar, while sterling is following a declining trend. Market of America. The S&P 500 E-minis U.S. stock futures rose 0.7% on Tuesday, signaling that the market will rise as traders return from the Christmas holidays to their terminals. Friday marked the beginning of the Santa Claus rally time period. This is usually the last 5 days of trading in the current year, as well as the first 2 trading days in the new year. Monday was Christmas Day, so markets were closed. On Tuesday, there are no major earnings releases or data releases in Europe. The support zone for the greenback against the Canadian dollar is at the 1.3520 level. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.